How to add an effect to the audio track in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your timeline and audio tracks are visible. Then switch to the Fairlight page from the bottom menu. This page is specifically designed for detailed audio editing. Next, look at the effects library on the top left corner. If it's not visible, click on Effects to open it. Under Audio Effects, you'll find a list of available audio effects like reverb, delay, EQ, distortion, and more. Now, find the audio track you want to enhance in the timeline. Simply drag your chosen effect from the effects library and drop it directly onto the audio clip or track in the timeline. This applies the effect to that specific part of the audio. Once added, click on the clip to open the inspector on the top right. Scroll down to see the effect settings. Here you can adjust parameters such as intensity, mix level, or frequency depending on the effect you applied. If you want to layer multiple effects, just drag more from the effects library to the same clip. Each one will appear in the inspector where you can enable, disable, or fine-tune them individually. Finally, play the timeline to hear how your audio sounds. Make any adjustments as needed until you are satisfied with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to add an effect to the audio track in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.